My dear friends, my family across this beautiful, fragile world, stop for a moment, please. Imagine the sound of a child crying, not from hunger or a scraped knee, but from the sound of war tearing through their home. That sound is real today, and it is growing louder. I am speaking to you from my heart because I know you feel it too. The weight of tension pulling us towards something dark, something we can still stop. I am here to share what is happening to help us understand and to beg us all to choose love, unity, and peace before it is too late. Right now, as I speak with you today, the world feels like it is holding its breath. Just recently, two countries took a bold step, agreeing to a peace deal after nearly 40 years of fighting, a glimmer of hope showing us what is possible. But elsewhere, North Korea fires missiles, testing the patience of nations like South Korea and the United States, while Russia warns against any moves that feel like a threat. It is a tangle of pride, power, and fear, and it is escalating. Experts talk about World War III not as a far off idea, but as a risk we are brushing up against if we do not act now. I do not say this to scare you. If we let this tension snap, it will not just be soldiers or leaders who pay the price. It will be you, me, our kids, and our neighbors. It will be entire cities and cultures could vanish. We have seen it before in history, and we cannot pretend it will not happen again if we do not find common ground. Picture this, our leaders sitting down, not across a battlefield, but around a table. They are not just trading demands, they are sharing stories about their people, their fears, and their hopes. They are finding a way to say, enough, let's stop this before it destroys us all. Diplomacy isn't weakness, it is courage. It is leaders saying, I will bend a little so we do not all break. And it is vital, not just for us, the people who feel every bomb and every loss, but for them too. Imagine the legacy they could leave, not as the ones who started a war, but as the ones who saved us from it. That is power worth having. We need this now because time is slipping away. Every missile fired, every harsh word thrown, pulls us closer to a cliff we cannot climb back from. That is not too much to ask, is it? Our ancestors knew this. They fought, yes, but so many of them dreamt of peace, worked for it, died for it. They were not perfect, but they passed down values we still carry. Kindness, strength, the courage to stand up for what is right. We are their echo. I am asking you, from the deepest part of me, to join hands across differences and say with one voice, a call for peace. Let us be the generation that turns the tide, that proves we are bigger than war.